Everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to show you 5 ways how you can make money as a teenager. Before we start, one of the most important things I have for you is that if you don't have any money right now, go get a job. Don't try to build businesses, don't try to build anything before you have actually money and some experience. This is really important. It's okay to be an employee. Don't let anyone tell you that you need to be an entrepreneur, that you need to make money online. Don't seek shortcuts. Go slow and get experience. Another thing is that you should build a business around your passion. So let's say that you like to, listen to BTS, or you like to paint anime waifu. I don't know. Maybe you do it. Maybe you like it. So what you should do is to make a YouTube channel about it. So this is like my first recommendation to do. Build a YouTube channel about something you actually enjoy. I really like the YouTuber Julia, or how she's called, and she got like amazing chemistry. She did what she enjoyed and she succeeded, and you can too. But do what you enjoy, because in the moment when you're going to do something that you don't, people are going to sense it from you, right? If you're going to try to get only the money, you need to have passion for what you do. And this is really important. So again, you can start a YouTube channel. It's really easy, really simple. There are plenty of tips how to make a successful channel, but you need to make it long term. But right now when you're in school, you have a lot of time. You come home from school, you can make a YouTube video. It's easy. You can make a YouTube video about how to paint anime. You can make a video about how to write, how to study better. Let's say that you enjoy teaching other people. You can make videos about it. It's completely easy. The second tip is really simple. Writing books on Amazon and also affiliate. So let's say that you are going to make videos, and you can easily just add affiliate links when someone is going to sell, you see the cameras or lenses. They have always affiliate links in the description, which they earn money. Now also, if you will write books, this is really important. I recommend do it if you enjoy writing, because then you can sell your work in Upwork or Fiverr, and you can earn money there. So if you're a teenager and you enjoy writing, you really love it, go and do this. It will work tremendously for you. The third tip I have for you is selling products through Shopify and Oberlo. So you get a product in AliExpress, you ship it to the US, and you sell it to customers or through the whole world. This is really cool because you don't need to stock any products at all. You just send them directly to the customers from China. And I love this because you will have a link in the description, and when you're going to register to the Shopify, you can have 90-day or 30-day trial period, so you can try selling products, try to set up a store if you like it, if you enjoy it, and if you enjoy making money, and you can get to it. There are plenty of tips on the internet how you can make money from Shopify and Oberlo, how you can get a lot of experience in web development. And this is honestly a really cool strategy and really good thing to do. If you are from the United States, you can also try dropshipping. This is the fourth tip, and it's really useful, and you can see it also in the Gary Vaynerchuk channel that he's garage selling a lot. So you go to garage sales, you see some products which you like, you can test it out, and you sell it on eBay, you sell it on Amazon. Really simple, really easy. And this is something like if you see Star Wars figures, if you see something for kids, you can take it and you can go and sell it. If I would be in the US and not in Europe, I would do this from, if I would be 14 right now, this is the one thing I would be doing for the next 6-7 years. Just reselling things. In my country, Slovakia, it's not possible, but use this opportunity. I have various affiliate links in the United States which are working for me, and the money I'm getting there, it's crazy comparing to my country and what I would be earning here if I would be making business here. So this is what you need to focus on, and this is how we get to the last tip. And it's something I mentioned in the beginning. And I know it's not the shortcut that you should do, but go and get a job. I know. I know what you're gonna say right now. Oh my God, getting a job. But hear me out. If you are a teenager and you don't have any experience at all and you don't know what you like to do, the best thing you can do is go be an employee, learn things, learn how to sell, go door-to-door salesman, or go to work to McDonald's and learn how the system works, how to make process, but always try to learn. Don't just do the job there. Try to learn from it and try different kind of jobs and learn something new all the time. And this is how you will get better and better and better and better. When I was working in a retail sales job, in 4 months I became the best seller in my whole country, like top 5, top 10. Because I was studying. How can I better sell? I was listening to podcasts. I was listening to like various videos, like just audio when I was like eating lunch in a back office. And I was like eating and listening, how can I sell better? And then I would go to sell. Then I would be reading books, how can I sell better? And this is how I improved. In a year and a half, I earned a lot of money. It was perfect for me and it was something good. So this is what I recommend, definitely. Go and get a job. Don't worry, it will be really good and you will have money, you can save money, and don't spend it on like useless things. If you're a guy or if you're a girl, it doesn't matter, don't spend it on like dating or nightclubs. Please save the money and wait for the opportunity when it comes. Or then just buy Shopify for 1 year or whatever, and then try selling products or selling on Amazon, or buy a new camera that if you want to get a photography, if you want to make a photo shoot, if you like photography. This is what I did. Like, let me tell you my story. When I was 16, I started working as an accountant. I was helping with accountant. And it was accountant office. I was like helping with the papers. I saved every euro I had. At 18, I was working and helping with financial advisory, also helping as an assistant. I saved every euro. And then I bought a computer and I started streaming. It was few years back and I was pretty successful. I had like 200, 300 viewers on daily, and I was doing pretty good job. So, and this is what I did. And I saved money, and again saved money. And this is what I recommend for you too. Go there, save money, and wait for opportunity to come. Maybe you are not for being an entrepreneur. Maybe the best thing you can do is to just be employee, but it's okay. Don't let anyone tell you that you need to be entrepreneur. Maybe you are perfect for working in a team. Maybe that's what you're suitable of. And this is what you need to figure it out. Don't be like, oh my God, I don't know what I like to do. Find it. Like, guys, the world will give you nothing. Why it should give you something if you don't do nothing? And this is really important. Just focus on the work, try to learn how to earn money, and this is how you do it. If you like writing, go work in some job to like for newspapers if you would like to help out, or even do it for free. I mean, like if I would like writing and I couldn't find any job at all, I would go to the closest newspaper and I'm like, I want to help you with it for free. I want to just get experience. I'm going to spend here like every day 1 hour and let me help you. I want to learn. Like if someone would come to me with this proposition right now as I'm like full-time earning from YouTube, I would give him the opportunity. Like, okay, man, I see that you are hungry. I see that you have the passion for it. Why wait? Why wait? So this is what I recommend. Be rational. Don't try to find shortcuts. It will take time. You're young, but it's worth it. Trust me, it's really worth it. So this is for you today. Write me up what you're preparing, how much money you actually make, how you're preparing to make money, what you actually like in the comments. Write it down below. I'll be really happy to help you and give you some feedback what you can do better. So because I think that could be valuable. Thank you very much, everybody. Also, have a great day and let's go and let's seize the day, how Robin Williams would say. Goodbye.